Hello there. We got a couple minutes before I start. I had to go home. Um, at school, my thing, we couldn't get her stopped, the live chat from last hour. So you should be here with me. Hopefully, you should be in here. This is at home now, so I'm not at school. Caden, hi. Hi, Wyatt. I had to go home because my computer at school was buzzing. Hey, Hunter. Let me make sure I get some more light in here. Oh. Ian, knock it off. Let's see how that, there you go. Hey there, guys. Well, there's four of you on. I don't know who the fourth one is. But we got this test we're going to do. See how this test goes. Oh, let me check. Probably Anna on the phone, huh? I'm here, but I'm not logged into the account. Who's that? Who just texted me? Name, please. Oh, Thomas, good. Okay. Got that there. All right. Just 1 second. I'm going to tell my kids to turn off the TV. Ian, Liv, turn off the TV. Okay. So there we go. That's why I don't do live at home. All right. So there's five of you on. There should be some more. Who else? I have Thomas. I have Caden. I have Wyatt. And I have Hunter. Who else is on? Okay. Well, I'm waiting for a few minutes. Everybody should be on in like 2 minutes. Okay. There, that's much better. Just have to learn how to hold it up. All right, who else entered? We got 6 people now. We have a total of 8 in our class. Come on, say hello or text. I'm at both. All right. Briar, are you there yet? Zoe, Anna, or Marissa? If you're there, say hi so we can get started here. Got about another minute before we get started. Oh, hi, Anna. See if anybody else is there. I have 7 showing, but only 4 or 5. 2 of you haven't said hello or checked in. Okay. Now remember, my number's 206-0491 if you need to call. If something isn't working right. Because my phone is. All right. It's time. It's 2:30. So I'm going to get started. I want you to get it going on that test. Okay. For those of you who haven't checked in, say hi, because I got all 8 are present, or 8 people are watching. All right. The first thing you should have noticed was when I sent the test, I sent you this form right here. Sorry it wrinkled up in my bag running at home. I didn't mean to wrinkle it up, but you have this, correct? Everybody got that? Okay. Everybody should have got that right there. Okay. Oh, Brian Rosine is in. That's the number 8. All right. So if you look at problem number 1 on this paper, it has an A, B, and C. Number 2 has an A, B, and C. Number 3 has an A and B. Number 4 has an A, B, and C. Number 5 has A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, there's a little bit more to that one. We'll talk about that in just a second. Number 7, that is an A. Okay, number 6, A, B, and C. And that's an isosceles triangle. It's an isosceles triangle. On number 6, that is an isosceles triangle prism. Just so you know. Number 7, that is A. The radius there, that is A. That's the radius. I give you half a sphere. Number 8, I give you A and B. You need to find the height. Okay? And you're only doing on, if you look up on top, find total surface area on all of them except for number 8. Except for number 8, you're only doing lateral area. So you're only doing the triangles. On number 5, if you look on the next sheet that I gave you, problem number 5, line BC is equal to, and then I wrote the measurements for it. Okay? But let's go back to that first page. Okay? On problem number 5, I would like everybody to tell me what EF is. What is EF? And you write that on your test. Okay? Okay? So you write that on your test. It'll be EF, and you'll write it on your test. Right by it. What is EF? You name what EF is. Okay? Then I'd also like to know what AC is. I would like to know what AC is. I want to know what EF is and AC is. See, if you don't listen to this live YouTube chat, you won't have those problems, and they'll be marked wrong. Okay. And then on the very bottom, it shows name EF in problem 5, but I also want to know what AC is. I want to know what AC is. Okay, so Marissa's on too, so that's great. Okay, then I gave you a second page that I sent to your email. Okay, the second page looks like this, and that's your numbers. So for Thomas, every A is going to be a 3, every B is a 6, every C is an 8, and line segment BC for you, Thomas, is 4.2. For Briar, it's A is 4, B is 5, C is 4, and the line segment BC is 3.5. Wyatt, your A is 7, your B is 8, your C is 6, and BC is 6.1. Caden, yours 5, 5, 12, and 8.3 for your BC. Hunter, your A's are always 6, your B's are 9, your C's are 10, and your BC is 7.9. Marissa, your A is 8, your B's are 12s, and your C's are 4s, and your BC is 2.6. That's the line segment on problem number 5. Okay. Zoe, yours are 3 and 5 for B, and C's are 4s, and your BC line is 5.4. And Anna, yours are 7, 6, and 10, and yours is 9.2. So everybody has different answers coming out of this. Okay, all measurements are in inches. So when you have inches, you know you have to have units squared. So it'll be inches squared now. Don't forget to label. If you don't label, then it's wrong. You have this test. It's open book, open notes. And if you have any questions regarding any one of the problems, as you look at them right now, look them over. If you have any questions, ask. Okay, I got you on live chat, so go ahead and ask. Does anybody have any questions on their problems? Any questions on the test at all? Okay. Last chance. Nobody's texting or typing that they have questions. Okay. All right. Well, that is your test then. That's all I had for you today, but I wanted to make sure that we did this so that you had an opportunity to ask. And I'll field any questions you have. Just text me. Again, my number is 206-0491. Okay, I know this is live to the rest of the world, but who cares? Nobody's going to watch me anyway, except for you guys. I hope your day is going good. I am at home in my kitchen. Okay, Thomas. So, or was that Marissa? Thomas, every one of your things are 3, 6, and 8. Your A is 3, your B is 6, and your C is 8, all the way through your problems. On every one of these problems, where the A is, you'll use that number. Okay? It is due at midnight. It is due on midnight on Friday. And just take a text picture of it. Just snap it and send it to me. That'd be great. That's all you have to do. Okay? Any other questions? Oh, yes, Thomas. That's what I mean. I just can't tell you. And I can't say it online either. I can't tell you that. But yes, your question that you asked me on your phone is correct. That's what I mean. Okay? Okay. All right. All right. Any other questions? Okay. Last chance. Okay, I'm going to end this then. And if you have questions, just give me a call. All right. We'll talk to you guys later. Have a very good day. Stay safe. And, social distance, some of you. Okay. All right. You know who I'm talking to. I saw you in a car the other day, crammed in there. All right. Talk to you guys later. Have a good day.